Just a quick video tonight. I went to the local Goodwill thrift store and got some little treasures. Everything was priced very reasonable there. Actually got some good old snap-on screwdrivers for $5 for a set of 4. And one of these perfect handle screwdrivers, but one of the little tiny ones. I've actually never seen one of the little ones like this. It has a maker's mark on it. I just get it to focus. I think it's West Germany. Not sure. I'll have to do some more looking with magnifying glass. Some Craftsman screwdrivers for my Craftsman collection. There's some Blue Point tools and some other miscellaneous tools. Very large pipe wrench for $10. It may be a goodbye, may not be. I'm going to keep it in my pickup truck just for tools. A Mac Tools bits set. That was $5, $5.28, and probably on the Mac Tools truck. This is guaranteed not $5. Well, that's about it tonight. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good night.